While retail investors focus on quarterly vehicle deliveries, institutional desks are quietly analyzing a far more explosive structural shift. The wall between the world's most valuable automotive technology company and the dominant global aerospace monopoly is beginning to look incredibly thin. Rumors of a structural merger, a joint venture, or a unified superholding company between Tesla and SpaceX are no longer just science fiction. If these two capital behemoths consolidate, it will fundamentally redefine corporate governance, capital allocation, and equity valuation on Wall Street. Here is what is actually changing. To understand this potential consolidation, we must first look at the core structural moat of Tesla. Beyond passenger electric vehicles, Tesla operates a massive energy storage segment and is building out a high-performance compute network. The business model relies on highly verticalized hardware and software integration. This structural moat has allowed Tesla to command valuations that look more like software enterprises than traditional auto manufacturers. But maintaining this premium requires constant technological breakthroughs. This is where the cross-pollination of materials science and advanced manufacturing with SpaceX becomes highly relevant to long-term asset insulation. Now compare that to the private fortress of SpaceX. It is not just a rocket company. It is a communications giant through Starlink, which currently operates the largest constellation of active satellites in orbit. SpaceX has created an absolute launch monopoly, capturing the vast majority of global commercial payload. The capital expenditures required to build Starship are staggering, yet the business is highly cash-generative from its launch services. For Tesla shareholders, SpaceX represents the ultimate technological hedge, operating in a sector with virtually zero near-term competitive threats. But the immediate financial reality for Tesla is currently shifting. Recent quarterly results highlight a compression in automotive gross margins, down from their historic highs due to aggressive global pricing wars. While Tesla's energy business and regulatory credits continue to provide critical cash flow support, free cash flow generation has faced headwinds. This margin pressure is forcing institutional portfolio managers to reassess Tesla's standalone terminal value. If automotive margins continue to contract, Tesla will need new structural catalysts to justify its massive valuation multiple. This brings us to the quite existing financial overlap between these two corporate giants. While they remain legally separate, they share significant board representation, engineering talent, and even physical infrastructure. Tesla utilizes SpaceX's advanced metallurgy expertise, while SpaceX leverages Tesla's high-volume battery pack assembly lines. These cross-company transactions are disclosed in regulatory filings, but the true scope of shared intellectual property is difficult to quantify. Institutional analysts are increasingly asking whether a formal structure is needed to fully unlock these synergies. Management's recent commentary offers critical clues about this capital allocation direction. Elon Musk has openly discussed his vision of a unified artificial intelligence and robotics powerhouse, spanning Tesla, SpaceX, and xAI. The strategic alignment of these companies is clear. They are sharing massive compute clusters and cross-training machine learning models on physical robotics. From an execution standpoint, running three distinct capital structures is highly inefficient. Consolidating these assets under one giant corporate umbrella could streamline operations and optimize cash flows across the entire ecosystem. But how would such a consolidation actually work? A direct merger of a public giant like Tesla with a private titan like SpaceX would face immense structural hurdles. Wall Street investment banks suggest a more elegant path, a tracking stock or a brand new superholding company. This structure would allow investors to gain exposure to the combined cash flows of clean energy, space logistics, and autonomous systems. It would also allow Musk to leverage Tesla's massive public equity valuation to fund SpaceX's multi-decade capital requirements without constant debt issuance. This potential consolidation must be viewed within the broader industry context. The global electric vehicle market is facing a structural slowdown, with legacy manufacturers scaling back their electrification plans and Chinese competitors like BYD scaling rapidly. At the same time, the defense and space sectors are experiencing a massive capital influx. Traditional defense contractors like Lockheed Martin are struggling to match SpaceX's rapid iteration cycles. A combined Tesla-SpaceX entity would dominate both terrestrial clean tech and orbital logistics, leaving competitors structurally isolated. We are also operating in a highly complex macroeconomic environment. Higher-for-longer interest rates have dramatically increased the cost of capital for long-duration growth assets. Legacy automakers are cutting capital expenditures to protect cash flow, while space startups are facing a severe funding winter. In this environment, scale and self-funding capability are everything. Tesla's balance sheet, boosting tens of billions in cash and cash equivalents, represents a massive strategic weapon. If deployed to support SpaceX's infrastructure build-out, it could secure absolute dominance for decades. However, this thesis carries profound structural risks that institutional investors cannot ignore. First and foremost is governance risk. The Delaware Court of Chancery's decision to void Elon Musk's compensation package demonstrates that institutional shareholders and courts are highly sensitive to self-dealing and conflicts of interest. Any attempt to merge Tesla with SpaceX would trigger unprecedented shareholder litigation. Activist investors would argue that Tesla's public cash is being used to bail out or subsidize the highly speculative and capital-intensive Starship program. The second major vulnerability is dilution risk. SpaceX's valuation in the private markets is currently estimated at well over $180 billion. Acquiring SpaceX, or even a minority stake, would require Tesla to issue a massive amount of new equity or take on significant leverage. This would severely dilute existing Tesla shareholders and potentially compress Tesla's valuation multiple as the market reprices the combined entity's capital intensity. Managing this risk is the single largest hurdle for any proposed transaction. Looking forward, the long-term outlook for this ecosystem depends on the monetization of autonomous systems. Tesla's full self-driving network and SpaceX's Starlink constellation are increasingly complementary. Imagine an autonomous robotaxi network completely connected and coordinated via a global, low-latency satellite network. The structural momentum of this integrated network would create an unassailable data moat. This is why forward earnings visibility must look past simple vehicle deliveries and focus on the convergence of space-based communications and edge computing. This realization is forcing a major valuation reassessment across Wall Street. Analyst models are struggling to value a company that is simultaneously an automaker, an energy provider, an aerospace monopoly, and an artificial intelligence research house. If a merger or holding company structure materialize, Tesla's traditional price-to-earnings multiple becomes obsolete. Institutional desks would have to apply a sum-of-the-parts valuation, which could unlock significant hidden value currently trapped inside both companies' independent structures. From a tactical perspective, we are placing Tesla on a breakout watch. The stock has been consolidating within a multi-year range, compressing volatility ahead of major regulatory and technological catalysts. A formal announcement of closer corporate ties or joint ventures with SpaceX could act as the ultimate liquidity shift, triggering a massive wave of capital rotation into the stock. However, if governance concerns or regulatory hurdles intensify, we would quickly pivot to a trim consideration to protect capital from near-term downside. The convergence of Tesla and SpaceX represents the ultimate test of corporate structure and visionary capital allocation. Whether through a formal merger or deep strategic partnerships, these two entities are pathing toward a unified future. For institutional investors, understanding these hidden structural connections is the key to managing risk in a rapidly changing market. For more deep dive equity research and institutional macro analysis, make sure to subscribe to SR Money News. We will track these structural shifts as they unfold.